really need to put the investment not in the tool itself, but what goes beyond. And I think there's more to AI now and statistical forecasting than solely demand planning. I've met somebody here whose job title is a statistical lead for the supply chain, and I guess that's also amazing.
I don't think it's really changing. I think it got more visibility, if we want it or not, due to the COVID crisis. I mean, I remember this kind of conference before, you would always have a topic like, how do I get my top management more engaged?
I remember those topics.
Yeah,
I remember those topics.
And strangely enough, this time there was not a topic like that.
The hard skills are still very, very important. We need specialists. We need people who know how to do the forecasting, who understand the forecasting. I don't think is the soft skill is overtaking the hard skill, but definitely the soft skill is becoming more important in general.
It's the opportunity to transform the communication in collaboration, because you say, okay, do it unconstrained, because at some point I'm going to be able to catch up if I have more components or so on. You keep the collaboration by saying, okay, this is the amount that I can provide to you, and you're clear on that, and then at some point it's going to turn the cycle, right?